Hello，私は学長です。今天我们继续来做 Doors. Today is July 16. So you can see I just add 3 new rooms. The first is a name. I name it to kitchen. And next is a big room. And last is the last room. So and add this to the info like this. Just copy and change the name. Change to the name like this is a big room, so name it big room. And change bell to like 3. So this is a spawn chance. And I add the last room and kitchen and set the weight to 0. And next go to server script and make new local and the max rooms equal. We can set this to 15 first and max room, and I'll set generate room to 0. And I just go to fix this to 1 and go to room script and go down, and you can see this door new and number, so let this number plus 1 and let's try. So you can see this 1 and 2. I just spawned the big room. And let's stop and go server, make the new local, name it special room equal, and I'll set the 3 to the kitchen. Wait. Oh. Okay, and the max rooms. Wait. Plus this and max rooms equal the last room. And add here and the special room and and I need add this to here and move to room script and go to generate room and go to generate room and add the special room name. And if the special room name and the workspace dot the find first child and special name room name, then I'll just let me do this, tap this first and add this room to here and else and add this to here and make new line and delete this and set this to new. And just delete this local and let's run. We can see, so yep, here is the third room. Okay, so something just wrong because I'm going to change big room later, and there has some problem. Oh, I knew it. So let me just change this first. This was wrong So set this to here. Okay, we don't. And let's check this. Okay, this is right. So close this, and we need to add this to here. And let's run again. So there has some problem. Let me check. So we don't need the logo here too. Let me delete this logo. Okay, let's run again, and there still has some problem. Let me check. Okay, so I didn't add the room here, and let's try again. Okay, so still some problem, but it's different problem now. So let me stop first, and so we can see if the new room and find, no wait, okay, it's right. So let me copy this, the find first child, and exit, then, and let me add this all thing to here, and there has some problem. Okay, I need to add this line into this here too. So let's run again. So this time don't have the problem, and let's see. This is the big room. Right, this is the last room. And where's the kitchen? So I didn't find the kitchen room. And let me stop first and go to room and copy this and go server and paste to here. Oh, that was different name, and we can, yep, is this kitchen? Yeah, this is a kitchen. So we spawn the kitchen now. Let's stop and let's back to the server and let this back to 100 and set this to 15. So next, let's make a new logo, the room buffer, and equal 5. And here, let's say set the new logo, future room equals the number plus buffer. Oh, this is a room buffer. And if the future room and equals max room, then, and we can just copy this two line and set I to future room, and let's run. So let's just play, and let's open. So there has some problem, and let me see. Okay, so let me go to the server and set this to room buffer, and let's play again. Okay, and let's see, we only have the 1, 2, 3, 4 room now. So let's go to see the player and humanoid and speed to 14, and let's go to C. And this should be the last room, but oh, you can see there has more room. Oh, and the rush is coming. Oh my god, close. And I speed just back. So this has spawned more room now. Yeah. And let's stop and go room the no room the server, and here and local discard room equal number minus the room buffer, and if the discard room and 0, then generate the room and discard room, then destroy. And let's copy this line, and we can set this to new 2. Okay, let's play. And if so, there maybe has some problem. Yep, then we're going to see. So, oh, I knew it. And this should be this. And let's try again. Okay, and let's move to the. Let's move. Let me find the key first. Oh, here is. And why there's no key room? Oh, and should I fix this? Yep, I'll definitely fix this later. The tea room. Okay, and Russia is coming. Let me hide. Okay, and let's go to the next room, and you can see there's some room was deleted. Okay, and let's move to the rush script, and oh, here is, and set local the travel room equals 3, and for I equals 0, max travel room, and do. And I was wrong, so let me copy this script, and I should go set to here. Sorry, I was wrong. And copy this code to here, and plus I, and then that this, and set this to travel room, and go to rush script, and add this to travel room, and set this to travel room. Let's play. Oh, the first room has a lock, and why is it so dark? Okay, I'll add light later. And there has some problem, and let me see why there's always has a problem. Okay, let me just fix this first. Let me go to server, and okay, I shall add this to here, and let's try again. and the rush. Wait, rush is coming. Oh, there has some problem. Let me see. Okay, so we still need to generate room here too. And let me just add the lamp or change this lamp's position to wait is here good. Okay, I'll sit there, and this actually have the lamp. Then why it's so dark? Okay, and let me fix this too. Oh my, this is so difficult. And where is it? Oh, I did, and I need to do this too. So, okay, let's play again. Can you change the speed? Okay, lock. Oh, here. And okay, and there still has some problem. Why? Okay, so now we're going to check. So maybe it this. Okay, so let me try again. Okay, still has I can hear something. So, wait, this. Oh, wait, this is a new problem. Let me stop. Okay, so let's remove this line first. And here to room dot door and open event fire, and let's try. So let's change the speed. Oh, I got a key. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Okay. Oh my. Still a problem. Why there has so many problems? Let me check. Oh, so maybe this don't have the waypoint. Yeah. Okay. So let me just add the waypoint. No, this is up down. So let me add this waypoint to big room, and then move that to here, and let's set the okay, let's set this to connect this first. So okay, so set this to 1 and 2 should go here. 1 and 2, and then set the 3. Okay, we connected. Yet, wait. Okay, fine. I just let that like this and 2 and set here and name it to 3. Okay, so let's try again. Oh my. And let's hide, let's hide. Oh, actually we just fixed that problem now. Wait, what? Why is there has problem again? Let me going to see. Oh my. So this room, and why this wasn't what did it? So just let me try to set this to 1 and okay, let's try this. Wait, is this spell right? Let me copy this. Yeah, it's same. And let me try again. So the humanoid and set speed to 40 and let's go. Let's hide. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And we fixed that. So this is good. Okay, so this is today's what we did, and goodbye.